Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Asus Zenfone Max M2, for the first you have to open the notification bar, click on the Bluetooth icon to turn it on. After that, just click and hold. And right now we are in the settings of the Bluetooth, and of course do the same on the second smartphone. If you cannot enter the Bluetooth settings after this this gesture to click and hold the icon, you can enter also from the settings. So right now we have to click on our Asus to pair new device. And when we get in the available devices Huawei smartphone, and as you can see it is, just tap on it. And of course this is the device that I want to connect. Well, you can connect to any other that you want. And right now we have to pair. So click and input the code 1, 2, 3, and 4. Click OK. Right now accept the pair on the both devices. And as you can see right now, our smartphones are connected. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!